Hi friends, I am Harmeet Singh from Drishti channel. Today I want to ask you, do you know that why you will not be a rich person? Let me tell you today 10 signs in your personality, in your attitude, which will never allow you to become a rich person. Number one, if you don't like rich people or richness, you think that richness is an evil. You think that rich people are special or they are blessed, then you will not be a rich person. Evil is just an evil. It doesn't relate to in any way to any one's economic conditions. More money means more comfort, more happiness, more love, more health, more respect, more self-confidence, and even more spiritualism. Rich people are not special. Their deeds are special. They are not blessed. They are smart, hard worker. If you were born poor, it is not your fault. But if you die also poor, then it will be absolutely 100% your fault. Number two, if you are lazy and don't want to work hard, while working, you are just counting the hours. Your focus is always on off days like Sundays, Saturdays, and holidays. Then it is sure that you will never be a rich person. Because for creating a lot of money, you have to work hard, really hard, at least 60 hours per week. Be prepared for hard work or forget about your dream of richness. Third, if you are an expert in making excuses and blaming others, you forget that when you put one finger to another, the three fingers are coming towards you. This simply means that your focus is always on others, not on yourself. And remember that you never can change the circumstances. You never can change others. You can only change yourself. You can improve yourself. And for that, you have to focus on you. You have to take all the blames, all the responsibility upon you. Then only you can be a rich person. Number four, if you are not spending enough time on learning, just think, how many books have you read in this year? How many out of those were relating to some learning? Whether any book was relating to finance or money matters. Just go to your YouTube history and check the last 50 videos you have watched. If most of the videos are relating to entertainment, then that means that you just want to be entertained. You don't want to be a rich person. No school, no college, or no university teaches you how to be a rich person. They just prepare you for the hand to mouth jobs. If you want to rich person, then you have to learn so many things beyond your studies, all through your life. You have to update yourself with new development, new techniques in your craft, in your field. Number 5, if you always try to look rich, then also you will not become a rich person. Because it is sure that for looking rich, you are spending too much money and you are spending maybe more than your earnings. And if you have surplus money, then instead of investing it, you are wasting it. Number 6, you don't understand the language of figures. If you don't have basic knowledge of accounts, mathematics, or taxation structure in your country, then also richness will be not your cup of tea. 7th, if you are not giving much care to the criticism, remarks of right persons in your life. Who are those right persons? Those are your coach, your teacher, your clients, your customers. You have to take their criticism in a healthy way, because those are the person, they are responsible for your personality development or your business development, and you have to take care of those. Number 8, if you are too loyal to your family and friends, you are giving too much importance to your friends or your family instead of your goals in your life. For becoming rich, you have to concentrate 100% on your goals. Then only you can be a rich person. And the last, but not the least, if you are waiting for any miracle in your life, if you are depending too much on your good luck, if you are thinking that somebody's blessings can change your life or can make you rich, then be sure this will not happen. If you are indulging yourself in betting, in lottery, then also you are just wasting your time and you are doing foolishness. And if you are involving yourself with some unsocial activities or illegal activities also, then you are asking for trouble. That will never make you rich. So, my dear friends, these are the signs which will never you become rich. But the good news is that you can change yourself like this. It is your choice. It is your decision. You can change your personality. You can change your attitude. Just change it and go on the path of richness. Thanks for watching, my dear.